I wasn't raised like that, so get up off of me. But if you want them problems, I'll up it in your face. But bitch, you know that you might have to get a different taste of that motherfucking gun, cause I got all different kinds. If you peeping through them blinds, I'll bust you in your eye. Don't come knocking up at my door, my gun ain't at the peephole. Bitch, I fucked up, but no I didn't, I'm going in her. You know how I be, you know how I be. Bitch, I'm posted up, but I ain't even in the street. You know how I be, you know how I be. Bitch, I'm posted up, but I ain't even in the street. You know how I be, bitch, you know I'm geek. Take these niggas, yes, you know I'm a nerd, so why you tweak? Pull up on a nigga, turned up every day like the weekend. Didn't really give a fuck about these niggas speaking. Only about the cash, bitch. Yes, I need that flow though. If you keep that stagnant vibes, bitch, you gotta take photos. I'm on my grind, bitch. Yes, you know I'm my zone too. If you try to take it away, you know that we pop it too. Yeah, you know I'm a trap star. Yeah, you know I'm a track star.